This is the tractor tipping track set, and it comes with Lightning Queen and Frank. It's right here. See it? And then it brought me it. When
show it to us.
See it? I said this, and there's Frank and Lightning Queen. Hey, look, and there's the tractors, the gate, and only this ramp. And there's a button here to press it. You just hit it and let the tractor tipping go like this. And you set the gate, and you never know. Oh my God, get it out of here fast. Here, we can get Frank over here. Right here in the ramp. Are you ready, Lightning Queen? No! No. Let me show you how the Lightning Queen comes. Okay, this is marble, and this is plastic. This is a scary face, and this is a happy face. So, the tractor tipping track set, can't believe. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Here, we put it back. Let's see what happens when Lightning Queen. Well, there you go. No, McQueen, you can't do it. You can't do it. Here you go. Wow, he made it. Took over the cows, went through the crate, made it as Frank and Bruce so fun. That's cool. That's cool. You want to do it that, Lightning Queen? No, I don't want to do it again. This has been the tractor tipping track set. It's from Toys R Us. You can buy it, and there it is on YouTube. Okay, that's cut.